Just came from the grocery store and I got some vegetables, fruits, meats to prepare for my friends that are coming over. Now I'm here in my kitchen. I wonder where my spices, pots, and bowls are. Maybe they're in here? They're not in here! Well, maybe it's in the other side. What? It's not even in here too? Maybe Mr. K hid it. Maybe he put it in the oven? What? It's still not in here either. I wonder where it all is. Well, I remember that I have the Disney Princess style collection. This is the Gourmet cooking set. And this is the Gourmet coffee on the go. I'm gonna use these to help me. This is for the cooking, and this is for something I could drink. This is so cool. I never used it before. This is so exciting. So I got them all out, and I'm planning to make some vegetables. The fruit is already good, and I'm gonna just cook some of the meats. So I'm thinking that we should start with the vegetables. So we got a pot here we're gonna use. We're gonna put them in here. Here we go. Let's see. I'm gonna use broccoli, potato, corn. And there's already some spinach and carrots. That's enough. The pepper is pretty big. So let's see. We're gonna, till it's turning up. That's good. And now we're gonna steam it. And I got the spoon, gonna mix them a little. That's good. And now I'm gonna put the lid on. Just keep it there. Just gonna wait for a few seconds. It looks good right now, so I think it's good. There. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so now we're gonna use the colander and we're gonna pick them up like that. There we go. Just let the water out. Potato. And there. Broccoli. Just let them get the water out. And last one, corn. Just gonna make sure. There. Now it's good. We're gonna put in the bowl. Ooh. Now we're gonna add some salt and pepper. This is the salt grinder and the pepper grinder together. So let's first add some pepper, not a lot, so it's not spicy. And now some salt. That's good. So the vegetables is ready. Now we're gonna cook the meats, and first we're gonna do the steak, and we're gonna use this pot instead. So here we go. Turn them up. Before we do put that in, the olive oil. There we go, let's go. And let's put the steak in. Now we're gonna let that cook. Move it around a little. It smells so good. Now we're gonna get it out and put that on the plate. There we go. Now we got our steak done. And there, let's put it down. Then we're gonna do the other two meats. We're gonna fry these. We got the ribs and the chicken. First, let's put the olive oil again just here for now. Okay. Turn it up. And put these in. Chicken. And ribs. There. Cook it. Ooh, look. The chicken looks so yummy. And there's the ribs. Flip it. After both sides are cooked, turn this over. Okay, that's good. Gonna put that. Here you go. Move that over. Okay. Chicken. It smells so yummy. And there's the ribs. Let's put that over there. It looks so yummy. Last but not least, we got the coffee maker. Ooh, so, oh look. So it came with this cup. Ooh, this looks so cute. So this is the lid. Ooh, so this is how it goes. We're gonna put it under. So this is tea. You can get tea or hot chocolate. And I also have this other cup that I brought. And look, it has a Hello Kitty face on it. First, let's use this cup. Which one should I use first? I'm gonna do hot chocolate. I like hot chocolate. So open it up, put it in, and close. There we go. And press the button here. Look, you can hear it. Oh, it smells so good. I love hot chocolate. Ooh, there we go. It's a little one. Okay, let's close that. And now the other one, I'm gonna do tea. So let's put that in. Take this one out and put the tea one in with the bag. Close that. And there. Ooh. There we go. We got it. So I'm all ready for my guests to come over. And, well, bye guys.